We're making Carolina smoked chicken. Trim the loose skin and wash your chicken thighs. Now season both sides of your chicken thighs with your favorite barbecue seasoning. I have my temperature set at 275 degrees on the Z-Grill pellet smoker. Place your chicken thighs on the smoker, skin side up. Let's make some Carolina sauce with the Charlie Mills famous barbecue sauce mix. I got some apple cider vinegar and I took half of that bag and poured it into the bottle, gave it a good shake, let it sit for a couple of days. This is what I'm gonna baste the chicken with every 30 minutes. All you have to do is just take your chicken thighs, dip it in that Charlie Mills barbecue mix, place it back on the grill, allow your chicken to cook for at least 1 hour or until the internal temperature reach 165 degrees is done. Now you can sit back and enjoy some good tasting Carolina chicken with your family. I guarantee you, if you try this recipe, you will not regret it at all. Definitely you would have a good time and everybody would have a full belly after eating this good chicken.